Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to install the Twitch app on PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install the Twitch app on PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to open your Google Chrome. And once you're on Chrome, next, I want you to go to the Twitch website. So just search for twitch.tv on your search bar. And once you're on the website, next, I want you to click this three dots here at the top right corner. And then a drop-down menu will appear. So on this menu, I want you to select the cast, save, and share. And then there it is. You will now see the install button for the website right here. And then just click install. And after that, it's done. Congratulations. You will now have the app installed on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.